Welcome to PrivaScore, a privacy-preserving credit scoring for DeFi. Now, this app enables unbanked individuals to prove their creditworthiness without exposing their financial history. Now, by processing sensitive data in T, we unlock an under collateralized lending in DeFi while preserving user privacy. Now, basically, how this app works is a user will log in by connecting to their wallets and upload an encrypted financial document like a CV, and then T processing will then start where you'll click on the get credit score, and then this credit score analyzes the algorithm analyzes payment consistency, income stability, and debt management, and then it verifies the output. Now, for the next part, I'm going to show you how the application works.